Hello everybody and welcome back to another ECLAIR tutorial. This is Simone from BUGSENG and today we are focusing on the setup of patch for this demo project, which is very popular among our customers because it can also be used from batch, ECLAIR GUI and from within IDEs. In this video I will be using ECLAIR 3.10, but the very same process applies to ECLAIR 3.11 and following versions. Along with many others, you can find this demo in the demo project folder on our issue tracking system, which is accessible to all our customers. I'll leave you a link in the info box below. I'm telling you this because this setup process is applicable to most demos that support batch mode. So, if this is not the specific demo you are looking for, this video can still be useful to you. I'm assuming that you have already downloaded and unpacked our demo project. So we can now take a look of the readme.txt file, which contains information on how to configure and use the demo. Please make sure you have downloaded the correct demo, that you have installed ECLAIR correctly, and that ECLAIR bin directory is listed in the path environment variable. Otherwise, you will have to modify the eclair_settings.bat file in the ECLAIR folder, as specified in the readme file. Let's proceed with the first adjustment, which is checking that workspace_dir, Eclipse and Eclipse_ini environments contained in the settings.bat file are correct. Well, now I'm opening the settings.bat files and I don't need to modify the workspace_dir variable, but on the other hand, since my Eclipse folder is actually on my desktop, I have to modify these two variables, Eclipse and Eclipse_ini. So let's check out that both files, eclipse.ini and eclipsec.x, are here. And let's correct the path of both. Perfect. Now we have to follow the step 2 of our readme file. And we have to check that the toolchain used within Eclipse for the CRC project corresponds to the one that is specified in the file eclair_settings.bat that we can find in the ECLAIR folder. Let me quickly open it to verify it is ECLAIR, and now let me open the eclair_settings.bat. These are the intercepted components of the toolchain. In my case, all the components are correct, so I don't need to make other change. We can finally proceed with the third step of the readme file, but as we just saw, our toolchain components paths were all correct, so there is no need to change anything with the GUI. We can directly go to the section of our readme, batch use analysis with respect to a coding standard. To execute the analysis from the command line, just follow the steps described in this section. So open a command line and go to the ECLAIR folder inside the demo directory. Now we have to execute the analyze.bat script to perform an analysis. And we have also to specify the rule set and the project, in my case MC3 and CRC. Let me return to the terminal and write analyze.bat MC3 CRC and press enter. Now, as you can see, the build log is printed in the command line. In this way we can check if everything is going fine. Okay, perfect, we don't have errors, and now we can see the ECLAIR report main page, And if we go to report by service, we can navigate the reports. Also, a file explorer gets open too. Here you can find the log of any phase of the analysis, plus the reports in other formats such as the ODT, and here we can see all the files produced. To conclude, guys, we have just seen how to configure the demo for batch use and how to perform an analysis. Now the funny part. Click here in this video and enjoy a proper work session with ECLAIR where we focus more on the reports part. We also show how you can solve violation using the main features of ECLAIR and of its integration with the IDE's plugins. If you made it so far, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload the next videos of this series. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye!